have different possible variations based on equator, North Pole, and also circumference, radius, or diameter. So when you're looking at this, same idea. Start with my side view. I'm going to label what I have. So here it says you don't know the latitude, so I'm just going to put a city in a random spot here. I don't know where it's going to be. But on this one, I want the distance, or I know the distance to the North Pole. So I can label this as 3780.63. And on this one, it's the distance to the equator. So it's down here, 6,222.22. Okay, up here, I'm given the diameter. So when I set my equation, I'm using arc length is equal to m over 360 times d pi. And then here, I'm given the circumference. So I'm taking, arc length is equal to m over 360 times c. Okay, now, I have my arc length, so I can plug this number here in for s, so 3780.63. I'm solving for my m value. Over 360 times my diameter was 12,742 pi. And on this one here, I substitute in 622.22 is equal to m over 360 times my circumference, which was given as 40,000. Now, in each of these cases, if I want to solve for my m value here, what I can do is just undo all of these operations. So I take my 3780.63. I'm going to multiply it by 360 to get rid of that. I'm then going to divide by the 12,742 pi to get rid of that. And I'm left with my m value. So this right here is my m value. Remember, my m value is the arc measure, which corresponds to this central angle. It is not the latitude. In this particular version of the problem, if I want to find my latitude, I need to take 90 minus this quantity. And that's what I would enter in my calculator field. Okay, and that's going to give me my solution. For this problem down here, if I look to solve for m, I'm going to multiply both sides by 360, cancels here, divide both sides by 40,000, cancels there. So this is my m value. Here's my m value. The m value on this one corresponds directly with the latitude. So that's going to be my calculated value when I plug in my latitude. Okay. So it does depend on what form of the question you get to identify what process you use.